Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play Blitz chess on chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, to actually play speed chess, what you're going to do is hit play, or Blitz chess rather. You're going to hit play and you can also hover over it or just go to the main page. You're going to do a couple of these things. As you can see, if you've already played Blitz chess, you can just click this, but first to set everything up, we want to click play for online play. Now here, as you can see, you have the options to set up the time code or the time options for your chess game. And as you can see, you have the daily chess option, you have rapid chess, which is between 10 and 30, you have blitz chess, which is between 3 and 5, and you have bullet, which is between 1 and 2-1. Now, as you can see, you just need to pick whichever of these that you want, either 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 3-2. And once you've selected it, then you just need to play. For example, I'll set it to 3 minutes, and I'm really bad at chess, but I'll just demonstrate what it looks like. As you can see, you have to search for an opponent, and as you can see, the opponent has been found, and now you get to play. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna hit this so that I can get my, whoops, all right, I set it there, I guess. Then I'm gonna do this and capture his knight, which he's most likely gonna capture my bishop with, and that's pretty okay. He didn't, but yeah, as you can see now, I am playing blitz chess, and that's pretty much all you need to do. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.